weeks ago, we celebrated the armistice, 100 years since the end of the First World War. And that's where the history of our relationship as three countries with airmen grew from. These aeroplanes were biplanes with canvas and woods, and they traveled at maybe 80 miles an hour, over the top of tanks that traveled at maybe 20 miles an hour, and ships that steamed along at 20 knots. Only 100 years later are the tremendous aircraft that are behind me that are taking part in Point Blank. And all of these aircraft travel faster than the speed of sound, while tanks still travel at 20 miles an hour and ships still steam along at 20 knots. We have a capability for our officers today to actually dynamically change the way that they operate and integrate together.
The interoperability we get in this exercise is very important to us. We're already at a high state of readiness, but readiness can only be maintained if you exercise and train to it every day and think about it. And that's what this exercise will gain for us, our readiness.
Given the geopolitical trends that have been unfolding across the world in the recent years, it is mandatory to be able to fight with all our assets at all times. The more we train together, the better it is.
Point Blank gives us the opportunity to stay ready. And if we stay ready, we don't have to get ready.